Welcome to the fascinating world of organic chemistry. It's the study of carbon, the essential building block of life and nearly everything around us. From the fuel in our cars to the medicines that heal us, organic molecules are absolutely everywhere. We'll explore how carbon atoms link together to create the complex structures that make up our world. Think of it as nature's ultimate puzzle, where every piece fits together in a unique and powerful way. Get ready to unlock the secrets of nature's most versatile element and discover the science of life. Let's dive into organic chemistry.
Why is carbon so important in organic chemistry? Because carbon has two special properties. First is tetravalency. Carbon can make 4 covalent bonds. This allows carbon to bond with many atoms. Second is catenation. Carbon can bond with other carbon atoms to form long chains, branched chains, rings. This is why millions of organic compounds exist. That's what makes carbon unique. History of organic chemistry. Earlier, scientists believed organic compounds could only be made by living organisms. This idea was called vital force theory. But in 1828, scientist Friedrich Wohler changed everything. He prepared urea in the laboratory from an inorganic compound. This proved that organic compounds can also be synthesized in labs. And vital force theory was rejected. This discovery has started modern organic chemistry. Organic compounds in daily life. Organic chemistry is all around us. Examples of organic compounds include food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fuels, petrol, diesel, natural gas, household items, soap, detergents, plastics, perfumes. Medicines are also organic compounds. So whenever you eat, drive, or use products, you are surrounded by organic chemistry. Dear chemistry learners, important exam point. Did you know? Not all carbon compounds are organic compounds. Some carbon compounds are actually inorganic in nature. Examples: carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, carbonates, bicarbonates. Students often make mistakes here. So remember, most carbon compounds are organic, but not all. Subscribe to SM Educate for chemistry made easy.